Since 2010, Arlington has reduced homelessness in the county by more than 50%. Our new Homeless Services Center in the courthouse area will provide more than just shelter. We'll show you around the new center later in our program. Due to bad weather, Arlington's eCARE recycling event has been rescheduled for Saturday, October 31st. We regret the inconvenience, and to make up for it, the county will waive the $20 recycling fee for TVs and the $15 recycling fee for computer monitors. We hope you'll stop by Thomas Jefferson Middle School between 8:30 a.m. and 3 p.m. to dispose of your hazardous materials and recyclable items. Bring your ID, as eCARE is for Arlington residents and county employees only. Check recycling.arlingtonva.us for a list of accepted materials. Parking meter rates rose 25 cents per hour in September. The increase will help free up spaces and cover operating costs. The new maximum hourly rate for 4 or more hours is $1.25. The maximum hourly rate for short-term meters is $1.50. So bring plenty of quarters, or else use the Easy Park device so you only pay for the time you use. You can also use the Park mobile app and pay for parking via your mobile phone. To learn more about parking in Arlington, including the meaning of each of our color-coded meters, search for the word parking on our website. If you've built an addition, renovated your home, or constructed a new one within the last 15 years, you may be eligible for a Design Award. The 2015 Design Arlington Awards program is accepting applications until November 16th. Commercial properties and private homes will be judged on their overall design quality. Find out more on our website, keyword design. Arlington's new Homeless Services Center replaces the county's emergency winter shelter. Take a look.
So this is where you come when you first get homeless. And this is the place we try to hook you into services that can help you get back on your feet, whether it's at medical services or mental health services or help with a rent check. The caseworkers here really work with everybody to help them find their way back to self-sufficiency.
This facility is much more than a shelter. Certainly we will have a shelter component, but it really is so much more. It'll be open 24/7. Clients can come here at any time of the day or night to get services that they might need. We have 50 full year-round beds, and then during the hypothermia season, the county allows us to bring in 25 more, because before our shelter was only open 5 months of the year. It was only open from November to March. And on April 1st, we had to send 75 people back to the streets. We offer classes on job training. We'll have a full production kitchen, so we're hoping to have a culinary training class with the county.
If people don't have a place like this to go, they often end up in jail or in the hospital. And both of those are far more expensive than providing these connecting services.
Our budget is really made up about 60% from government funding. The county is a part of that, but they're not the largest part. Most of our funding comes from the federal government, and then we also get some money from the state. The other 40% really comes from everybody in this room. It's businesses, it's community members, it's faith-based groups. What we as an organization are measured on by the county is really how quickly we can move someone from shelter to housing. And so that's really our focus. Those people who are experiencing homeless, they're people just like you and me. There is no moral or social justification for anyone not having housing. One comment that really drives me nuts is when people say, why don't they go out and get a job? Well, let me just explain to you. It's like when you go camping for someone who's homeless. Each morning they wake up. They have to figure out where they're going to sleep that night that's safe. They have to figure out where they're going to get a meal. And then they have to worry about, where can I take a shower? Where can I do my laundry? The things that you and I do in an hour to get ready for work, it takes them all day to do that. And transportation's another big issue, because it's hard getting around. And oh, by the way, they have to carry all their belongings with them.
It says something about how a community values those who have least, that we can provide good space, not fancy space, just good space for people to recover and then move on.
To learn more about Arlington's 10-year plan to end homelessness, visit our website and use the keyword homeless. Fall is here, and that means leaves are falling. Arlington will start picking up leaves in biodegradable leaf bags on the day after your regular trash day, starting November 2nd. On November 9th, vacuum trucks will roll through neighborhoods, sucking up leaves left along the curb. To learn when the vacuum leaf trucks will be in your neighborhood, look for bright yellow signs that will be posted 3 to 7 days before each pass. You can also check the schedule on arlingtonva.us by using the keyword leaf. Good fences make good neighbors, and a really nice fence is now in place at the Water Pollution Control Plant adjacent to 4 Mile Run. Arlington's newest public art installation is an innovative design brought to you by the county's public art program. To find out more about Arlington's extensive public art collection and where you can see it, visit our website and use the keyword art. Well, that's it for this week. We'll see you next time around Arlington.